Scientists at the Institute of Nanoscience and Technology in Mohali have made a new nanomaterial that delivers pesticide in a targeted manner to control crop insects. Now, the finding could be a boon to the agricultural sector.
Pesticides are used in agriculture to control pests and enhance crop productivity. But more than 80% of the applied pesticide is left unused and leaches into the environment and causes pollution. Scientists at the Institute of Nanoscience and Technology in Mohali have made a new nanomaterial that helps to deliver pesticides in a targeted manner. This new finding will help reduce pollution due to pesticides. It will also help in increasing agricultural produce in the long run. Scientists have found that the nanomaterial binds to the commonly used pesticide chloropyrifos effectively and release it only when it encounters the larval stage of cauliflower pest Paris rapi. The nanomaterial is able to release the pesticide specifically to the insect because the pesticide release from nanomaterial depends on the pH of the surrounding medium. The pH in the insect larva's stomach is acidic. pH is an indicative of whether a solution is neutral, acidic or basic. While solutions with a pH of 7 are neutral, those below 7 are acidic and those above 7 are basic. At neutral pH of 7, the nanomaterial releases only 17% of its loaded pesticide. When it encounters the acidic pH in the insect gut, it releases most of the pesticide, which makes the killing of the pest very effective. The study was published in the journal Carbon. With the help of experiments in the lab, scientists have confirmed that the nanomaterials stick to the plant leaves for a longer time even when it is exposed to running water, similar to what crops encounter during rains or irrigation in the fields.
Nanoparticles based on reduced graphene oxide and a copper-based nanoparticle, when used together with a pesticide, chloropyrifos, allows the pesticide to adhere to the surface of cauliflower leaves to much better extent, and hence the action of the pesticide is much more efficient to kill the pests and hence enhance the action required by the pesticide.
To study the effect of the new nanomaterial on the cauliflower pest Paris rapi, scientists used insect larvae and divided them into 3 groups. The first group was allowed to feed on the leaf sprayed with the new nanomaterial loaded with the pesticide chloropyrifos. The second group fed on the leaf spread with pesticide chloropyrifos alone. And the third group was allowed to feed on the leaf sprayed with nanomaterial without the pesticide. After 72 hours, more number of insects died on the leaf sprayed with the new nanomaterial loaded with the pesticide compared to that one that received chloropyrifos emulsion alone, which shows that the new nanomaterial makes the pesticide delivery to the insects more effective.
In these pests, there is high alkaline pH, which helps in this pesticide delivery. So this ability of graphene oxide to hold and then release in this specific condition that appears inside the pest helped us to develop this method.
The scientists believe that the higher killing of the plant insects by the new nanomaterial is due to the ability of the nanomaterial to stick better to the plant leaves and because it delivers the pesticides in a targeted manner. Comprehensive tests now need to be carried out in the fields. The new nanomaterial can help reduce the use of pesticide in the fields, thereby reducing pollution due to pesticides wash off, and will boost the Indian agriculture by making pesticides more effective.